Alright, let's start this creamy dill chicken off. First thing you want to do is you want to take 2 chicken breasts. If you want the portions a little thinner, of course you can cut them in half, but since this kind of has to stand on its own, I've just decided to leave them pretty much as is. And then you just want to fry them up in a little bit of olive oil. As you can see, it's starting to work now. And of course, can't forget a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. That's to taste for you. Keep in mind, be a little more generous with the seasoning, because remember, you're going to lose about half of it when you go to flip the son of a bitch. So, basically cook the chicken till it's 165, and then allow to rest for at least about 5 minutes, give or take. Okay, let's start making the creamy dill sauce. First thing you want to do is grab 2 tablespoons of butter, and you want to melt that shit right up. And then you want to add 2 tablespoons of flour, and take your tongs or a whisk or whatever, and basically you want to make a roux. You know that. And you want to keep making this roux until it's golden brown. Realize the tongs are working like dog shit. Use that to flip your chicken. That's mostly fine. And then, yeah, you just want to make this roux here. And once the roux has come together, it's time to add 3/4 of a cup of heavy cream and 1/4 cup of milk. If you want the sauce a little thinner, you can always do like a half and half mix. Half heavy cream, half milk. And then just kind of keep stirring while you add the milk. And you just want to keep stirring until the roux and the milk get incorporated with one another. Okay, last couple of steps. You want to add 2.5 tablespoons of dill. And then 1/2 cup of a dry white wine. I used a Chardonnay personally, but you can use whatever you like. And then you just want to stir this around until everything, you know, is well incorporated and mixed together. And then just kind of simmer it for 5 minutes or until it reaches the thickness that you like. And then you just want to drizzle it over over the chicken breast that you should have rested and then sliced on an angle. Don't worry about the chicken breast being cold, because this sauce here is going to heat it right back up. All right, we'll be back with the finished product because, of course, I fucked up the filming. Oh, and also salt and pepper to taste, but do I really need to keep specifying that? And because I don't know what in the hell I'm doing, I forgot to actually hit record while assembling this. But that's literally what you should be going for. Sauce on the top, chicken cut at an angle. And that's creamy dill chicken. Done.